Hi, in this video, I will discuss about replace function. Replace function is very powerful function in data cleaning. So here we can discuss about the definitions of replace function. Replace function replaces a sequence of character in a string with another set of characters on the basis of start number and number of character. There are four parameters is passed to replace the character, such as old text is a first parameter, start start number is a second parameter, number of characters, how many character you want to replace, and new text. New text means what will be new text. So see here, I have applied the replace function equal to replace old text, start number, number of characters, and new text is a last parameter. So see the example here, replace Akash Kumar. Akash Kumar is a old text. Start number I'm taking here sixth character. Sixth character means first character is A, K is second character, third character, fourth, five, sixth. Sixth is a start number. Start number sixth is a blank. Okay. So from sixth character, I need to replace five characters. I need to replace five character means from blank, I'm taking five characters. So first character will be blank, second character will be here second character will be K U M A. So till A I will replace, but here I need to pass here six character. So start number should be seventh character. Then you have to take here five characters. So this is a wrong. I have written wrong things. So I will replace it. Wait, I'm just replacing this PPT because this is not correct example. So give me a second. So here I'm just taking seventh character is a starting character. Seventh character means A, K, second is K, third is a K, A, fourth S, fifth, sixth, seventh character. Seventh character is this K. From this K, I'm going to replace. So how many character you need to replace? I need to replace five characters. So here I have written five character for Kumar. You need to replace the Kumar and new text will be Singh. Okay. So here I have changed the PPT and I'm just taking same PPT, press F5, sorry, press F5 to show in PPS view, PowerPoint show. So yeah, so this is the correct example. So I will do same example first, then I will let you know little bit advanced part of the replace function. So see here, I'm just taking Akash, Akash Kumar, and here I'm applying. You have to replace the Kumar with Singh. So my output will be Akash Singh. So here I'm applying replace function. Your old text will be reference of Akash Kumar, comma, start character. Start character should be seventh character. This K is a seventh character. From K, I will start the replacing. And how many character need to replace? I need to replace five character in Kumar. Kumar, five characters. So here I'm taking five character and new text will be Singh. So here I'm taking new text as a Singh. Fourth parameter is new text. You can see here fourth parameter is new text. Bracket close, enter. Now your output is Akash Singh. Okay, so this is a basic example of replace function. If you want to make it dynamic, then let's see here. I want to replace all the Kumar with Jha. Okay, so all the Kumar and Singh, whatever value after space, whatever value is there, you need to replace with any specific character. Suppose I want to replace with Jha. So how we can replace? So you need to apply here replace function. So here old text. I'm taking here old text, then start number. Start number, you have to pick the position of space. So here if you want to pick the position of a space, then you have to apply find functions. First, I'll let you know the find function, basic function, then you can easily understand this scenario. So here I want to pick the position of a space. Position of a space means every space position I want to take. So you need to apply here find function, space, comma, then you have to take reference of this, then bracket close, then enter. See here I'm getting position of space. Position of space, then you have to do +1. +1 means I will move my pointer on K. I will move my pointer on K, move my pointer on K, move my pointer on S. So in this way, my pointer will move. So how we can move? You have to do +1. +1. Now you can see here I have position of character is this one. This K position I'm getting here. So this will be start number. So let's see how we can utilize this function with replace. So here you need to apply replace function. Replace old text. Old text will be this text. Start number should be blank position +1. Blank position is this one, +1 means this K position. So you need to apply here find function. Find space, you have to take position of space, comma, then you have to take within text. Within text means this one, bracket close, then you have to take here +1, okay, comma, then you have to take number character. Start number I have already taken. Number character means how many character you want to replace. I want to replace 5 character because everywhere Kumar has 5 character. So here I can write 5 character and new text will be sing. So here I'm taking sing, okay, inverted comma, enter. No, here I want to take ja, not sing. So you need to place here ja. Instead of sing, you need to place here ja. Okay, done. Now drag in downside. Each and every subtitle last name will be Kumar and it will replace with Jha. See here, each Kumar and Singh is replaced with Jha. Why it's replaced Singh with Jha? Because I have taken the position. From which position you want to start the replacing? I want to replace the value from after blank. Okay, after blank is Kumar, after blank is Kumar, after blank is Kumar, after blank is Singh. So here I have replaced all the last name with Jha. So this is a basic example of replace function. In next session I will let you know advanced use of replace function. Thank you so much.